So I noticed one of the cabinets that I'm working on has suffered some damage, probably in transit, and it's the MDF there. And in this case, luckily I'm going to be painting the cabinet, so all I need to do is repair that. And I've already got some time invested in the layout of this panel, this cabinet, so I don't want to take the time to take it back and get another one. So I'm going to repair it. I'm going to use this two-part wood filler here, kind of like Bondo. I'm going to put some wax paper in there, and that's going to be my molds. I'm going to clamp a block there. And I'll just clamp it right here. That way the filler won't stick to my mold material. And I'm mostly concerned with the front side that's visible. Before I mix that up, I'm going to turn the camera angle a little bit so you can see what's going to happen. Let's see here. Now we're looking into the back of it. I haven't put the hardener in yet. I'm going to do that now. I'm not going to put much in there. I want it to take a while to cure. And you can see it's gray and white. And when I mix the two together, it just still stays gray, which makes it a little hard to know, if you've got it thoroughly mixed. I probably would have just used regular car Bondo, but I thought this would be better since it's developed and marketed for filling wood. I wanted to see, I've never used it before, I wanted to see how it works. I'm going to go with that. I think that's mixed properly. And I'm just going to work that down in there. And I'm hoping when it starts to harden, I can still form it enough to get the edge I'm after. So I've got another tape knife backing it up there. I'm just sort of using that to gain this edge that I'm looking for. And I'm just sort of adjusting it as I see it might need. I'll go with that. I think that might be close. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to pull off the mold and see how it worked. Got a little bit of correction to do right there, I think. Where's outside the mold? There we go. It's not bad. Take a look at the side that will be seen. So here are a few little voids. I can go ahead and fix those with another mixing of the batch there. Looking at the front, there's a few little voids. I'm going to mix up another batch and repair that. So I'll just peel away the paper on this mixing palette. And start with another one there. Okay. I'm also going to see if I can build this line up a bit. There you go. I think that'll be fine once that dries.